Alright, so I normally don't do tutorials because it takes up a little time and I'm usually kind of busy. However, today this is just a general quick tutorial on how to make the rhinestone ones. I mean, I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of questions as far as the materials I use, the stone size where I'm buying from. I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of questions, so you can leave a comment, question, and then I'll try to get back to you. Once again, it took me a little while to just do this quick tutorial. It's not the best. It's one of my first tutorial, honestly, that I do. Normally I just post stuff that I'm doing, making, and so, but once again, this is just your basic stuff. There's a couple other. Okay, so today I'm gonna try to do a small tutorial on how I do my rhinestone cuts. And sorry, the video is not gonna be that great because I'm kind of rushing and I'm moving some stuff around. So anyways, I use the Silhouette Studio Business Edition. That's the software that I use, and we're gonna use something. We'll do something simple. So you open up your Silhouette Studio Business Edition 2, and then we're gonna do it's very simple. It's not that hard. It gets a little bit more difficult depending on the actual image. So we're gonna do one of their images here. Let's do a little heart. Okay, so let's go about here. So I'm gonna make this about a little bit under 5 inches or so. Okay, so that's what you do. Let's go right here, and it's very simple. You gotta come out here to the right. Get this focus, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in here. Let's close this up. And then right here on the bottom, we have this little arrow. And see that? That's the rhinestone window already. So then we have our image. We're gonna click on our image, and then all we gotta do is go here, click on that, and see your image. It's turned into a, let me zoom in a little bit. It's turned into a heart, and these are the rhinestones, right? And then it depends. You can do SS6, SS10, SS16, SS20, right? So I'm gonna go with SS6 because I want to fill it. Let's see, that looks pretty good. Let's see what this one. Look at that, looks like it has a smile. I don't like that. So we're gonna go with this one, and then in here I'm gonna space them out a little bit less. So let's go with 30. That looks better. All right, so that's that part. That's my design, and that's what I'm gonna cut. I mean, you can color different. I mean, there's a lot of options. I would have to kind of make another video for something more intricate. But in this case, we have our heart image, and let's zoom out a little bit. So, right, we're gonna click on that, and then we're gonna go to center cutter. And then here, I'm gonna go ahead and set my my cutting settings here. So I'm gonna go to 4, so I'm gonna go to 30. Let's go to 30, and then my speed, I'm gonna go to 10, and I'm gonna do 2 passes, and I'm gonna do blade number 6. All right, and that's my settings. That's for my Camel Plus cutter, and I'm gonna pause for a second. All right, then after I do the design, I'm gonna go with my flock here into my mat. This is a 15-inch mat. And I'll show you align it. Okay, again. All right, gonna put a foot in here. So let's align this guy. Okay. All right. Then I'm just gonna go up here and click on send. I'll be back in a second or a minute once this is done cutting. Still cutting, so this is my setup. And just my other cutter there, 56-inch vinyl cutter. You press a couple of these. Cutting. It takes a little while, so I'm gonna load my sheet. Let's move some stuff around. And remember, this is a process, and this is the reason why you would charge what you will charge for anything people want to have done, especially if it's like a custom t-shirt or something like that. I would charge more, especially if it's for a business, because the time it takes to do these things and electricity, labor, you name it, it adds up. So usually on a custom job or so, like a shirt for a business, I would start at $23 a shirt. And that's just because that's how long it takes to do a lot of the stuff that we do. So don't sell yourself cheap. Usually I have something else for this, something like flatter, like a piece of metal or something, and or something plasticky, so this stuff comes out pretty quick. But today, because I did this smaller, I think these are SS. Let me check. I think these are SS. Let's color this sign. I think these are SS6. Yeah, that's the smallest one. Let's see. Yep. So I use the SS6 on this one, which is the smaller rhinestone, which I actually like more because it takes more work, but it shines nicer. So anyways, you do this process and I'll be back in a minute. So I'm gonna use my SS6 rhinestones, and then I put a bunch in here, right? And then so here's my press. I'm gonna set it at 330 degrees for 15 seconds. And so we're gonna put it on this medium. Actually, never mind. That one has something in there already, so let's not use that. Okay, we're gonna use this small shirt. JHK. This is Argentinian, I believe. And the shirts you can rebrand, except you have to leave the made in whatever's made in. I don't think you can remove that anymore before you're able to. I'm just taking the moisture out. The press is still not hot enough, so I'm still gonna press it, and I might press it again. Once the press gets hot. Right now it's only at 190 degrees. And then right now I just did this to flatten it out a little bit. See what my design is gonna be. I'm gonna use my setter here. And we're gonna go up right there. Okay, that's good. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna press my shirt one more time. Just to get the moisture out of it. Still for like a few seconds. The same, and let's see where I'm gonna put it at. Design, so everything looks good. And then we're gonna go watch. Placement's gonna be about right there. So let's put the watch. I'm happy with the placements. Good. About right there. There we go. Alrighty. You guys think we should put it here? Yeah, let's keep it in the middle, just for this one. I'm gonna press it for 15 seconds. The price is at 327. Oh, this got you, huh? Alright, let's take this guy off. And this you can actually use again. So you can use it a few times before you have to replace it. So I will save that. So you can use that again. And then here's your shirt. Alright, I guess you can like this video, make a comment, questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.